AC Schnitzer has decades of experience tuning BMWs, and it's showing off a full suite of parts for the i4 EV. The company can't modify the engine and exhaust like usual because the sporty coupe is electric. Instead, it focuses on tweaking the suspension and styling. The parts include new springs that lower the vehicle's ride height. With the components in place, the front of the i4 is 20 mm lower, and the rear drops 25 mm. The company also has quite a few parts available that add a flourish to the i4's body. There's an extended front splitter and a canard that incorporates into an element in a corner of the lower fascia. AC Schnitzer offers larger versions of horizontal pieces of trim that attach to the outlet behind the front wheels. A very subtle roof spoiler attaches to the top. Buyers can also add a carbon fiber rear spoiler and winglets that attach to the corners of the tail. AC Schnitzer has two-wheel designs available for the i4. Its AC4 design has 5 pairs of spokes that taper inward at the rim, and they're available in a silver and black finish or all black. AC1 features 5 skinnier dual spokes, and there's a choice of a silver and anthracite color scheme or entirely in anthracite. The company also offers a few subtle tweaks for the cabin. There are aluminum trim pieces for the pedals, footrest, cover for the iDrive system controller, and key holder. As a reminder, the BMW eDrive 35 makes 281 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. In comparison, eDrive 40 has 335 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque.